Hi, I'm Joe with WTI. As I get older, I'm always looking for good things to help with my hormones, my energy level, and I love this product from Sandhu Nutrition, DIM. It's a great product that I love to use because it's hormone-free, but it helps to balance out my hormones. It's also going to help manage my energy level. And the great thing is this is something that men and women can use. For men, it's good for their muscle mass, energy level, prostate health. Again, for women, the hormone balance and weight management. And what I really love is that it's gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free. Since taking this supplement, I've noticed improvements in my energy level, my mood, as well as better overall hormone balance. I feel more balanced and energized throughout the day, which has made a positive impact on my daily life. So I think you're going to really like this product, and that is my point of view.